students, today we'll discuss topic number 16, the human nervous system. The key points in this lecture that we will discuss: introduction of nervous system, definition of the nervous system, structure and function of neuron. Definition: the coordinating system in human that analyze stimulus and give response to particular stimulus is called nervous coordinations. So the coordinating system that receive and analyze and then prepare the response to particular stimuli, such system is called nervous system. Neuron, it is the structural and function unit of nervous system that conduct or transmit nerve impulses. Nerve impulses mean sensory information. So neuron is the structural unit because the whole nervous system is made of neurons, so neuron is the structural unit. And similarly, the function of the nervous system performed by the neuron, so therefore it is also structural and functional unit. So functional unit means that it performs the whole function of nervous system. And impulses means the sensory information. So now, structure of typical neuron. Neuron is three main parts. First, the cell body. The cell body contains cytoplasm, nucleus, and organelles. Axon is a long thread-like unbranched structure extend from one side of the cell body. Axon covered by white sheath called myelin sheath. So white sheath means that it is the covering sheath, and the covering sheath is made of fatty material. This myelin sheath is basically myelin means the fatty material. This sheath is made of fatty material. The sheath is broken with different intervals called nodes. Distance between the two nodes is called Schwann cell. It takes nerve impulses away from cell body. Of typical neuron, the main central body is called cell body. The cell body is made of cytoplasm, nucleus, and other organelles, mitochondria, and Golgi bodies. The thread-like structure attached with the cell body are called dendrites. Dendrites carry the impulses or information to the cell body. The cell body then delivers the information to a tail-like structure. This whole tail-like structure is called axon. Axon is covered by a fatty sheath. This fatty sheath is called myelin sheath. And inside small cell made the whole length of axon. Every cell or each cell is called Schwann cell. And then the gap between the two Schwann cells is called node of Renwier, and the distance between the two Schwann cell or two nodes is called internode. These are the axon terminal. The axon terminal then carry the information to the cell body or dendrites of another neuron, or in case of motor neuron, the axon terminal carry information to effectors, or in case of sensor neuron, the axon terminal attached with the receptor. So this is the structure of typical neuron. So now dendrites. So dendrites are short finger or branches with fine branches. They carry message towards the cell body. So dendrites are the fine branches or thin branches, thread-like structure that carry information to the cell body. Types of neuron. On the basis of function, there are three types of neuron. First, sensory neuron. The sensory neuron carry impulses or information from sensory organs or receptor to brain and spinal cord. In this neuron, cell body is at one side. This is the cell body present at one side. The axon, in short, of axon, and the dendrites. Dendron or the dendrites are long. These are the long dendrons. These are the dendron. The group of dendrites is called dendron. These are the dendron. And the axon, this is the axon. The axon is a short. Second type is a motor neuron. These neurons take impulses away from the central nervous system to effector. Cell body is in the length of the neuron, so they have short dendrites and axon, long axon. So the axon is a long in this case. So here The cell body located at the top of or at the length of long axon. So this is the cell body. The dendrites or the dendron are short and the axon is long. And the function of this neuron that it carry away response from the central nervous system to effector. Now the third type of neuron is a associative neuron. These neurons link sensory and motor neuron with each other. They are present in the brain and spinal cord. They have short dendron and axon. So the cell body located at the length of axon, but both dendrites or dendron and axon is short, and they are just located inside the brain and spinal cord. They made the whole body of brain and spinal cord. Means that they are present in the central nervous system. So how they link the motor neuron with the sensory neuron? Because at one end it receives the stimuli from the sensory neuron and then finally analyze the stimuli and then prepare the response, and then the response delivered to motor neuron. So in this sense that sensory neuron connect with motor neuron by the associative neuron. Therefore they are called the linking neuron or associative neuron. Associative neuron means association or link, because this type of neuron connect the sensory neuron with motor neuron. So dear cadets, this is all about the structure of typical neuron. So if you have any question, comment me, I will give answer. Thank you.